Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome po sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pwede bang makahingi ng isang like and subscribe? At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so continuation tayo sa ating topic kahapon, yung special products and factoring. So dito na tayo sa factoring. Okay, so a polynomial with integer coefficients is said to be prime if it has no monomial or polynomial factors with integer coefficients other than itself and 1. Okay? So, a polynomial with with integer coefficients is said to be factored completely when each of its polynomial factor is prime. So, discuss ko yan mamaya. Okay? Or explain natin mabuti yan. So, factoring a common monomial factor. Okay, dito muna tayo sa factoring common monomial factor. Okay, so ibig sabihin dito, kunin na natin yung common monomial factor. So, dito sa AB plus AC, so yung common dito is A. Okay? So, ito yung common monomial factor. So, therefore, ilagay natin si A dyan. Then, times the quantity of B and plus C. Kasi kapag i-multiply natin yan using distributive property, A times B, that is AB. Tapos, plus, kopyahin yung plus sign, that is plus, then A times C is AC. Okay, so madali lang yung common monomial factor. So, example tayo. So, number 1, 4x squared y z cubed minus 2x to the 4th power y cubed z squared 6x cubed y squared z to the 4th power. So, ang gagawin natin dito, kunin lang natin yung ano yung common dito. Okay? Kay 4, negative 2, at saka kay positive 6. So, ang common natin dyan ay positive 2. Okay? So, ngayon, what about yung sa variable? So, variable, x squared, x to the 4th power, and x cubed. So, ang common natin dito is x squared. Okay? Then, y to the y cubed, y squared. So, ang common is y. Then, z cubed, z cubed, z squared, and z to the 4th power. So, ang common is z squared. Okay, so ito yung first factor. Okay, yung second factor, so that is 2z. Okay, so i-multiply mo yan, the result is ganyan. Si 4x squared, y, z cubed. So, next is, since meron ng 2, so wala na tayong coefficient. So, this is negative x squared, y squared. Kung i-multiply mo yan, yung second factor sa second polynomial, okay? So, the result is ito, negative 2x to the 4th power, y cubed z squared. And last is 3x yz squared. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 6, then x times x squared, x cubed, then y times y is y squared, then z squared times g squared is z to the 4th power. Okay? So, next is difference of two squares. So, ito yung pattern ng difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared. So, ang result niyan is the quantity of a plus b and times the quantity of a minus b. Okay, so ang pattern is plus minus. Example, number 1, 4u squared minus yv squared. So, titingnan natin yung pattern. Okay, so dapat naka-plus and minus. So, plus, minus. Then, factor ng 4u squared. So, that is 2u. Kasi multiply natin yan. That is 4u squared. Ay, no. 4u squared. Yung first, ito. Okay? Tapos yung pangalawa, negative v squared. So, multiply mo yan. That is negative 9b squared. So, negative 9b squared. So, sundin lang natin yung pattern. Kasi kahit i-multiply natin to using FOIL method, the result is same result lang ito. Okay? So, ang result nito, kapag i-multiply natin yan by FOIL method, is ito. Okay? So, wag na natin i-simplify ng masyado. Number 2, the quantity of a plus 2b raised to the power of 2 minus the quantity of 3b plus c raised to the power of 2. Okay, the same pa rin yan. Okay, so ito yung first na square, ito yung second na square, tapos minus, di ba? Ito yung minus sign. So, equals. So, combine ito yung first, yan, sa a plus b. Yan, ito. Sa a plus b, kinopya lang yan. Okay? Kaya, gamit tayo ng plus sign. At ito, si a minus b. Okay? Yan. Ito si minus a minus b. Okay? Tapos, simplify natin yan. So, dito muna tayo sa a plus b. So, 2b plus 3b is 5b. Kopyahin si a. Tapos, kopyahin si c. Okay? Dito naman, ito, kopyahin si a. Tapos, ito si 2b minus 3b. So, the result is negative b. 2b minus 3b, the result is negative b. Kasi mas malaki si 3 compare natin kay 2. Okay, so negative b, then minus c. Kasi negative times positive is negative. Okay, that's why nagiging negative c yan. Another example or another factoring trinomials. Okay, so factoring trinomials, acx cubed plus the quantity of AD plus BC times x plus BD. So, equals the quantity of AX plus B times the quantity of CX plus D. So, sample tayo niyan. So, number 1, x squared plus plus 7x plus 10. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito, hanap tayo ng factor dito kay x squared. So, ibig sabihin, dito sa first factor, meron tayong x, saka yung second factor ay x. Kasi kapag i-multiply natin yan, the result is x squared. Okay? So, ngayon, dito naman tayo sa pangalawa. Yung sign is positive. Kasi positive din yan eh. Okay? Positive 5. Hanap tayo ng factor ng 10. Okay? So, ang factor ng 10 is 5 and 2. Tapos positive. Okay? Ayan. So, yun ang final answer. X plus 5 or the quantity of x plus 5 times the quantity of x plus 2. Ito yung first, ito yung second factor. So, yung middle term dyan, si 7x, i-add natin yan si 5x at saka si 2x. 2x plus 5x, so the result is 7x. Yan, si middle term. Okay, so next, number 2, a squared minus 10a plus 24. So, gagawin natin dito again, yung factor ni a squared ay dalawang a or isang factor sa first factor or isang a sa second factor. Take note, this is negative and positive. Kung tingnan natin yung sign dyan, negative 10a saka positive 24. So, hanap tayo ng factor ni 24 na dapat yung middle term, yung sum nila ay negative 10. Try natin ito si negative 8 at saka si negative 3. So, yes, ang ilahang factor, ang ilahang product, negative 8 multiply kay negative 3, ang ilang product is positive 24. So, correct. Pero yung sum nila, negative 3, i-add natin kay, negative 8, add natin kay negative 3 is negative 11. So, hindi siya pwede. Kasi negative 10 ito eh. So, mali yan. Hanap pa tayo. Kaya again, A times A. So, yung second is, yung first factor sa second term is negative 6. And, factor ng 24 is 4 or negative 4. Okay, check natin yan. Negative 4 times, negative 6 times negative 4 is positive 24. Okay? Check yung product. Yung sum naman dapat negative 10. Okay? So negative 6 plus negative 4 is equals negative 10. So therefore these factors are correct. The quantity of A minus 6 times the quantity of A minus 4. Yan ang sagot sa number 2. Okay, number 3. A squared plus 4AB minus 21B squared. Okay, so factor ng A squared ay A sa first factor, A naman sa second factor. Tapos hanap tayo ng factor ng 21B squared or negative 21B squared na kanilang sum ay 4AB or 4. So, 4, ang first factor sa second term ay A plus B plus B. Okay, so ang factor dito para magiging negative 21 is negative 3B. Okay? So, number 4. 20x squared plus 43xy plus 14y squared. Okay, sa 20x squared, ang factor natin dyan ay, so hanap tayo ng factor ng 20x squared. So, this is 5x or 4x, di ba? So, 5x and 4x. Kasi 5x times 4x, multiply natin yan, the result is 20x squared. So, dito naman tayo kay 14y squared. So, ang factor natin dyan, either 2 or 7 and 2. Okay, so 2y and 7y. So, this is your first factor and second factor. The quantity of 5x plus 2y times the quantity of 4x plus 7y. So, next is perfect square trinomials. So, look at the pattern. Meron tayong dalawang pattern. This is pattern number 1 and pattern number 2. So, pattern number 1, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals the square of, or the quantity of a plus b raised to the power of 2. Dito rin sa pattern number 2, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals the square of the quantity of a minus b, or pwede rin the quantity of a minus b raised to the power of 2. Okay, so titingnan lang natin yung pattern natin dyan. Example, y squared minus 10y plus 25. So, we will use pattern number, since this is negative and positive. So, this is pattern number 2, negative, positive. Okay, so tingnan natin yung pattern number 2 sa ating example number 1. So, factor ng y squared at saka ng 25. Tingnan natin yan. So, factor ng y squared is y, tsaka yung 25 is 5. Okay? Madali lang sundin yan, basta alam mo yung pattern. Huwag kalimutan si squared, kasi base sa pattern natin, my squared yan. So, another example, 24 cube plus 72ab plus 72a squared b plus 54ab squared. So, ang gagawin natin dito, first, kunin muna natin yung common monomial factor ng 24, 72, at saka si 54. Hindi natin yan masolve agad using this pattern sa dalawang pattern or itong pattern number 1 kasi positive yan eh. So, kunin muna natin yung common factor nila. So, yung common factor ng 24, 72, and 54 ay 6. Okay? Pwede tayo makahanap ng mga factor sa 6 para magiging 24. Pwede tayo makahanap ng factor ng 6 para magiging 72. At ganun din kay 54. So, yung A, kasi mayroong A cube, A squared, at saka A. So, 6A yung factor natin, yung common factor. Next is we have to multiply the first term of the second factor. So, yung first term ng second factor ay 4A squared. Kasi, si 6 times 4 is 24, di ba? Then, A times A squared is A cube. Yung pangalawa, so we will use ito pattern. Mamaya na pala itong pattern na yan. I-simplify muna natin yan. Kunin muna natin yung factor niyan. So, next is 12AB. So, 6A times 12AB is 72A squared B. Okay, then last term, sa second factor ay 9B squared. Multiply mo yan kay 6A. So, 9B squared, multiply natin kay 6A ay 54AB squared. So, ngayon, gagamit na tayo ng pattern. So, tingnan natin yan. This is positive and positive. So, pattern number 1. So, of course, kopyahin natin si common monomial factor na 6A. Okay? Then, positive and positive, pattern number 1. So, ang result niyan, factor ng 4A squared, 2, di ba? 2A. And factor ng 9B squared is 3B. Okay, tingnan natin. Ayan. Huwag kalimutan si squared. Kasi may squared din yan. Pattern na yan. Okay, next. Sum and difference of cubes. So, A cube plus B cube. So, that is equal to, yung first factor is the quantity of A plus B times A squared minus AB plus B squared. Second pattern, this is pattern number 1, second pattern number 2. A cube minus B cube equals the quantity of A minus B times A squared AB plus AB plus B squared. Okay? Next, number 1, example number 1. 27 minus x cube. So, ang gagawin natin dito, ito yung kunin natin yung cube root ni 27, yung A natin, at saka B. So, ang cube root natin dyan, ni 27 is 3. Okay? Kasi nga, 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Okay, tingnan natin sa pattern number 2. Diba A cube? Pattern number 2. So, yung first factor sa first term ay A. So, dito rin, 3. Kasi yung 27, cube root ng 27 is 3. Okay? Next is yung second term sa first factor, x. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung first factor. Proceed tayo sa second factor. Look at the pattern. This is positive and positive. Tapos na tayo sa negative sa first term o first factor. Okay? So, 9. Diba? Take note. This is A squared. Diba? Yung A natin is 3. So, 3 times 3 is 9. Diba? Then, plus. Kasi nga, yung pattern natin is plus 3x. Kasi bakit 3x? Kasi this is A times B. Okay? So, A times B or A times B or 3 times x. That's why nagiging 3x yan. Okay? Nagets? Next, yung B squared naman. So, yung B natin ito, di ba? X. So, magiging x squared. Okay, next, number 2. T cube plus 8. So, first factor. Okay, so T plus 2. Parang ito sa number 1 pattern. Okay, di ba A? Si A cube, yung A yung first term niya. Di ba? Sa first factor. Dito rin, T yung first term. Tapos, plus 2. Kasi nga, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Yung second factor, t squared. Kasi t times t, t squared, okay? T times t is t squared. Diba a squared yan? Oh. So, t times t is t squared. Okay, na mali lang ito ha. This is t. 2t or negative 2t. Hindi ko kasi ma-edit eh. So, negative 2t yan. 2t. Hindi siya x. Then, the last term ng second factor ay positive 4. Okay, number 3. 3x to the 6th power minus 6y cubed plus 3. Okay, so ang common factor nila, kunin muna natin, kaya gagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, kunin muna natin yung common factor dito. Okay, yung common factor ay 3. Tapos, first term ng second factor ay y to the 6th power. Kasi 3 times y to the 6th power is 3y to the 6th power. Second term, negative 2y cubed. Multiply kay 3, that is negative 6y cubed. And the last term is 1. Kasi 1 times 3 is 3. Or positive 3. Okay? Then, 3 times, okay, yun ang yung pattern natin kanina. Si y cubed minus 1 squared. Okay? So, the first term, that is the quantity of y minus 1. Ito yung first term. Times y squared plus 2y plus 1. Huwag kalimutan si squared. Okay, next, last na to. Factoring by grouping. So, example, 10a cubed plus 25a minus 4a squared minus 10. So, gagawin natin dito, i-group natin yan. So, i-group natin yan. So, first group, si 10a cubed, tsaka si 25a. Ito. Yung first group. Then, second group is negative 4a squared minus 10. Tapos, kunin natin yung common factor ng first group. Okay, yung common factor nila ay 5a. Okay, then, yung second factor sa first term ay 2a squared. Kasi multiply natin yan, the result is 10a cubed. Okay, the second term sa first factor ay 5. Multiply kay 5a, that is 25a. So, next, minus. Common factor dito is negative 2 times yung first term sa second factor ay 2a squared. 2a squared times negative 2, that is negative 4a squared. Then, second is negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10. Ngayon, kunin natin yung final answer natin dito. I-separate natin yung common monomial factor, 5a at saka si negative 2 at saka si, kasi the same na ito eh. Ito, di ba? The same 2a squared plus 5. Dito rin 2a squared plus 5. So, ito yung final answer. Common factor. So, 2a squared plus 5. Ito yung common factor. Tapos, multiply kay 5a minus 2. Ito, 5a minus 2. Okay? So, yan ang factoring by grouping. Another example. 3xy minus yz plus 3xw minus zw. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dyan, kunin natin yung, i-group natin yan. So, dapat tingnan natin yung kanilang mga coefficient. Dapat may similar term or may common factor sila. Okay, si 3xy, meron silang common kay x. Diba? Si 3xy at ito, si 3xw. So, hindi pwede si, dapat si y at yz at saka si zw. Kasi mayroon silang common kay z sa pangalawang group. Okay? So, negative z at saka negative zw sa second group. So, hindi mo pwede ilagay dito si negative zw. Hindi sila pwede. Okay, kasi wala silang common eh. Okay? So, dapat meron silang common dito. Okay? Kunin natin yung common factor ng first group. So, common factor ng first group is 3x. Yan. Di ba? Tapos, yung first factor first term ng second factor ay y. Kasi 3x times y is 3xy. Then, yung second term niya sa first factor ay y. Okay? Or sa second factor, y, sorry, w. So, w multiply kay 3x is 3xw. Okay? Sa second group, yung common factor nila ay negative z. Yan, negative. Okay? Meron yung negative dyan eh. So, negative z yung common factor. Tapos, multiply natin sa first term y. So, that is negative yz. Okay? Dapat naka-arrange siya. Alphabetical order, ha? So, next is zw. Or negative zw. The result is negative zw. Then, kunin natin yung common. Ito yung common factor. Okay? Ito. Pareho yan sila. Yan. So, y plus w. Or the quantity of y plus w. Tapos, ito yung isang factor natin. 3x at saka negative z. 3x tapos, or times, or the quantity of 3x minus z. Okay po? Okay, so yan na po yung topic natin. At again, sa hindi pa naka-subscribe, paki-subscribe naman at paki-like na rin. At paki-share na lang din. Okay? So, huwag kalimutang pindutin yung notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.